Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna solve a question based on Wedel's formula in our programming language. So what is Wedel's formula? I equals to integration of a to b fx dx is nearly equals to 3h by 10 f0 plus 5f1 plus f2 plus 6f3 plus f4 plus 5f5 plus f6 and so on. In this we can say that the first and the last term are added as it is, and the even number are also added as it is, while the odd terms are multiplied by 5 and the terms which are multiple of 3 are multiplied by 3 and then added. So a small program to solve this question is like here is the function fx that we have defined, which will be our function on which we have to perform the integration and find the area of the curve. A, B and N are the inputs from the user that we have already discussed in our previous chapter and previous videos. That is, A is the lower bound, B is the upper bound, and N is the number of division we want to make. H is the that is delta H is the difference between the two subsequent divisions, and X then as sum stores the value of first and the last variable of the integration function of the integration. Then for loop is loop out, that is I from 1 to n minus 1, such that if I is not even, that is it is odd, then sum is equals to 5 into a plus I into h, and if it is of multiple of 3, then sum is equals to sum plus 6 times the function, that is a plus ih. Else if it is even, then sum is equals to sum plus a plus I, f of a plus ih. Then we have taken a variable integral which stores the final result is equals to sum into h into 3 by 10 according to our formula. Then we have just printed the our output at the console. So on sourcing it, that a be 0, b be 1 and n be 6. So our output is like integral is 0.785399 and so on. You wonder from last 3 videos I on this screen want to plot some points, so I've just plotted some point according to the indexes. So it's not like important right now, but just wanted to add in my video, so just no ambiguity follows. So here's the code for Wedel's rule in our programming language. Thank you.